Quarter 4, Module 15, entitled Illustrating the Nature of Bivariate Data. Data that involve one variable is called univariate data. Univariate data are often described using measures of central tendency, namely the mean or the average, mode, and median. Aside from central tendency, the variations, katong standard variation, standard deviation, the variance, or the descriptive statistics. Here are examples of univariate data. So basically, univariate data but pag involves one variable lang. So examples, kaning situation, Department of Health or DOH recorded the number of infected COVID-19 cases from April 14 to May 21, 2020 in the Philippines. This is an example situation that involves univariate data because the variable involved is just the number of infected cases. Maura, wala ay lain. So, univariate, isa lang man. So, another example is situation that involves univariate data is kani. World Health Organization or WHO summarized the number of COVID-19 recoveries around the world. This is a situation involving univariate data because it only involves the variable which is the number of COVID-19 recoveries. Wala na ilain. So, one lang man, so univariate data siya. On the other hand, data that involve two variables are called bivariate data. So, univariate from the word uni, one, bivariate from the kumbaga, kuan nga, tawagan na, from the bi nga kuan niya, two ang pasabot. Katong uni, one. So, tawagan na, prefix ba? O prefix lagi. So, bivariate data meaning two. So, the statistical procedure used to determine and describe the relationship between two variables is called correlational analysis or correlation analysis. So, again, bivariate is kung two variables, tapos pag mag-conduct na kag statistical procedure, ang ginagamit ana to describe the relationship between two variables is called correlation analysis. Mauna po atong padulungan, kumbaga. So, examples of bivariate data. Examples of situation involving bivariate data. First, in Tayaba City public market, a consumer observed that the fewer is the supply of the vegetables, the higher the price gets. So, in this situation, this involves two variables. First is the supply of the vegetables, and second is the price of the vegetables. So since duha man ang atong variables involved, meaning mao ni mga nagausab ang supply, nagausab pud ang price. So duha man atong variables, therefore this situation involves bivariate na data. Another one, the Quezon provincial government gave emphasis that limiting the number of household members going outside to purchase essential goods will help decrease the rate of COVID-19 infection in the province. This is another example of a situation that involves bivariate data because in this situation, it involves two variables, namely the number of household members and the rate of COVID-19 infection. Magdepende man kumbaga. Ang quandary is kaning number of household members na naga-purchase variable man na. Another is ang rate pod of COVID infections. So another variable since duha. So this situation involves bivariate data. So actually, that's all for Module 15 entitled Illustrating the Nature of Bivariate Data. Thank you and see you next session.